In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your email to Klaviyo. Let's get started. So this is the email template we just finished making. We're going to go to Apps and search for Klaviyo and go ahead and add your account, and then you'll hit Export and it'll upload the image straight away to your Klaviyo account. You don't have to save and upload anything after that at all. You'll click that little button that says Open Your Library and hit Continue. And it'll bring you right to your Klaviyo images. As you can see, I have both of the templates right here. And on the left-hand side, you'll see Content, and you'll want to go to Templates. So as you can see, I kind of already imported it and got it set up, but we'll go ahead and create it from scratch so you can see all the steps. Okay, I always delete what's placed in there, but I'll just keep the social medias for now. And then you want to drag the image icon 3 times over to the workstation area, and you're going to upload your template. Okay, once it's uploaded, click crop, and we're going to crop it all the way above the Shop Now button. Okay, and then you will want to upload the same image again. And then you'll crop this one right at the Shop Now button. And the last image you're going to upload is the same one again. Make sure you do select the image because Klaviyo saves each image you crop. And this one you're going to crop right below the Shop Now button. So now we have all 3 images in here. It still looks like one image though, one email. You'll click the Shop Now image and you'll just paste your shop link. I just put Shopify for now. And that is it. You are done with uploading your email. You can hit preview and save after you update your social media information. And the only part of the email that will be clickable is going to be the Shop Now image, the middle image that we put there. And see, brings you right to Shopify. And that is it. You're all set to get this email set up as a flow, so it is automatically sent out every time you get a new subscriber. I did want to mention that the first name placeholder that we put in Canva, you do have to take that out, and we're going to upload the image again without that placeholder there. And then we'll get that set up in Klaviyo so it'll automatically say each subscriber's name. So you'll crop it right below the tagline and then right above the Shop Now image. And then we'll add one more image at the top for the header that we just cropped out. And you'll crop this one right below the tagline we have. And now we're going to insert a text box in between both of those images. And in this text box, you want to type in, hey, bracket, bracket, first underscore name, bracket, bracket. So that will populate the subscriber's first name every time this email is sent out. And then you can also play with the font size and the different fonts they have available in Klaviyo, as well as centering it. And then don't forget over on the left hand side, if you're using a different colored background than the typical white background, you would want to change the background color of that text box and the block background color just so it matches your newsletter, unless you're using the typical white background that it normally would come in. And then once you hit preview, you can see that it says, "Hey Emilio," it's somebody from my subscriber list, and I can change it there and it will show, "Hey Samantha" now. So once you have your subscribers set up in Klaviyo, you won't have to do this manually. We can get that set up automatically each time. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, I'll go over how to get the flows in Klaviyo set up so you can have the automatic welcome emails sent out, as well as the abandoned cart emails and the re-engagement emails.